Welcome to the Hamsi Analytics Daily Market Commentary. I'm Pablo Navarro. Today is Thursday, December 20, 2012. For the market internals, the New York Stock Exchange advanced decline differential closed at 987. Nasdaq advanced decline differential closed at 530. We had 34 new 52-week highs for the S&P 500 and one new 52-week low for the S&P 500. For the volatility, 522,000 contracts traded on the VIX today, with 46 million in total premiums paid. For the dollar-weighted put-call ratio in January, we saw a 1.1 reading, which is neutral, with 89% of the total premiums paid. The other readings, February, March, April, May, and July, were bearish reading, but the volume was not there. The biggest one was February, with 7% of the total premiums paid. Here we have the transportation index, the Dow Jones Transportation. We were up 0.7%, very nice, but we have an outside bar reversal. That's very important. Pretty bullish action here today. We are right now at some resistance. I'm looking to breaking that resistance and targeting 5,400 as our next level here on the Dow Jones Trans. For the IWM chart, up 0.77%, very nice day up. I'm still looking for higher prices. As I've mentioned, I think we're going to make a new high for the year on this index, and this is going to lead the rally here as we go higher. GLD down 1.3% for the day. We almost touched our 158 target. We have still 39 cents to go. I still think we're going to go lower from here and touch that 158 target, so keep in mind that play. Also, but if you have some nice profits, we're short from 3% higher, 4% higher. That's a nice play. Maybe take out some of the table. SLV, we are right now at -3 sigma. If you see -3 sigma, we're short-term oversold. This doesn't mean we're not gonna go higher from here. Just means we're a little bit oversold in the short term. Maybe take a bounce to this 200-day moving average. This is still silver at 29.9 and then go lower. The level to watch on silver SLV is 28. That's a trend line from 2008 October. If you take it, that's going to be critical. Also watch the 150 week moving average. That's going to be important also to hold. It was today's low. Keep an eye on that and the 28 level like a hawk. If we failed at the 28 level, we are going to test the 26, 25 lows on July. Caterpillar, here we have a pullback. We failed at the 200-day moving average yesterday, and today we have a gap lower, down 1.5% for the day, but we're still holding our upward trend line here. I wouldn't get bullish here unless we pass that 200-day moving average again. On XLF, here we have the ETF for the financials. It's going very nicely up, as you see, 1.6% for the day. We are right now at resistance. If we do break this resistance, I would be a buyer around 1680 and I would target 17.20. That would be the play here on XLF. If we look at Apple here, down 1% for the day. We made a new low from yesterday. Yesterday we broke and closed below our trend line, our support line. I'm looking for the 505 test and even going lower, so let's keep an eye on that 505 level and see what happens if we break that 500 level to the downside. Last chart we're gonna look at is RIM. We were up here 12.25% for the day. We came out with earnings, a smaller loss than was expected, and as you can see here, we're looking for maybe a resistance around 1550. That's also positive 3 sigma, which is a little bit oversold in the short term. Our weekly resistance number 2, it's at 1585. Keep that in level in mind also. So that's it for RIM here.